Understanding, worth the price, in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English learning video. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, worth the price. This phrase is used frequently in everyday conversations, and understanding it can really help you in both speaking and understanding English more naturally. Worth the price is an idiomatic expression. Idioms are phrases where the words together have a meaning that's different from the dictionary definitions of the individual words. In this case, worth refers to the value or usefulness of something, while price is what you pay for it. So, when we say something is worth the price, we mean that the benefits or enjoyment it provides are equal to, or greater than, the money or effort we spent to get it. Let's look at some examples to understand better. 1. Buying quality products. This laptop was expensive, but it's definitely worth the price. It's fast and reliable. 2. Making effort or time investments. Studying English every day is tough, but it's worth the price when you can finally communicate fluently. Sometimes, learners of English confuse worth the price with worth the cost. Although they can be similar, cost can refer to more than just money, like time or effort. For example, the cost of becoming a doctor is high, but it's worth it. Here, cost includes money, time, and hard work. To start using worth the price in your conversations, think about situations where you're assessing the value of something against its expense. You can use it when discussing purchases, experiences, or even life choices. Thank you for watching our video on the phrase, worth the price. Remember, mastering idioms like this one can really help you sound more like a native speaker and improve your overall understanding of English. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in our next lesson.